All right, we're getting ready to install our bottom whaler here. Like I said, we're going to position these just above the bottom struts. We leave our ropes attached to the whalers. Our guys top side will control this. We want to shoot it level just like we shot our struts. So we want to get our whalers in position. Once they're level, we'll lower our struts down and pressurize this bottom system. Down. Good. Okay, we're getting our final whale system in place here, and what we want to do is make sure that these whales are perfectly in alignment across from each other and level. Like I said, everything has to be pretty much plumb level and square to get maximum strength. So we're going to get these lined up. We're going to go ahead and lower our shore in place.
Got it?
Got it. We'll get our shore in place, and we want to line it up right over top our existing struts. So we'll call for a feather. Feather on leather.
Are you holding that one, John? I am. Jerry? You don't have to raise it.
We're going to go ahead and pressurize.
Pressurize.
Okay, our first strut's pressurized. We'll now call for our second strut to come down. Feather blue.
Feather blue.
Stop.
Stop.
We're going to check for alignment. Make sure it's plumb level square. Pressurized blue.
Pressurized blue. Pressurized.
Okay, our first whale system is pressurized. Now the next step we want to do is check our bottom and top struts on each side of the whale. We could have pressurized a little bit more. We want to make sure they're nice and tight. Let's go ahead and check your collars. We'll go ahead and check our pressurization on just mechanically with our Paratech hammer. We just want to make sure they're snug. We're not going to repressurize. We're just making sure they still have mechanical capture. Good. Okay, we're ready to install our second set of whalers now. These will shoot right between the middle strut and the top strut. We use the same process as we did on our initial set. Once we get this in and pressurized, then we'll now have the ability to remove our center set of struts. Go ahead and feather red.
Feather red.
Okay, once you feather the shore, you're going to make sure you're going to reaffirm your alignment. Make sure it's in the center of the 6x6. Make sure it's level with the shore that's underneath of it, and it's in line with the shore that's above it. Go ahead and pressurize red.
Pressurized red. Pressurized.
Okay, we've got our inside whale system in. We've got everything secured. Our shores are tied back. Our Paratechs have been checked for pressurization. We're now ready to go ahead and remove the entire center section of these struts. A few ways you can do this. We found the easiest way is to pull the nails and just mechanically release them with the Paratech hammer. If you could see, the whole idea over these whalers is now this whale system is going to keep this center set of panels in place, which allows us to remove this entire center set of struts. It gives us a nice working area in here where we can dig out a victim or do victim packaging and do victim removal. So we'll go ahead and all right, you can see now with the center set of struts removed, we have all this open area where we can do victim packaging, victim removal, etc. You know, it gives you about 8 feet of good working space in here. You can easily get a Stokes basket in and out, get tools, equipment, EMS, whatever you need to do. You can get in and out of here. Gives you a nice big area to operate.